Hey everyone, my name is Pinaki and I'm the founder and CEO at AffiNetwork. AffiNetwork is a decentralized affiliate marketing platform for NFTs. So the problem that we're solving is primarily for advertisers and projects, NFT projects. So the challenge primarily is in paying influencers and publishers on a commission basis. So the typical model is you pay them based on a flat fee, so $100 or $200 per post. There's a lot of risk involved in that you might just get likes and comments, but not actually sales. So the problem really is a flat fee model. And there's several other issues that advertisers face, such as they don't want to do tedious tasks, they don't have access to real-time data, they don't have transparency, and many others. So the solution that we've proposed is AffiNetwork. Sorry, just to go back on this real quick. So the photo that you see here, these are actually influencers that we've worked with in the past. So before this, we were an influencer platform. So Decathlon, Stabilo, Happy Fresh are all our customers. We ended up creating 2,500 jobs in Thailand. And our mission is to create an income stream for 1 million people worldwide. And so all the insights that we've gained from our previous service has led us towards building AffiNetwork. So AffiNetwork is a decentralized affiliate marketing platform for NFTs. Simply, it's a multi-sided platform. So on one side, we have advertisers, and on the other side, we have publishers. The experience is fully self-serve, so advertisers come in and create a campaign, similar to Facebook ads or Google ads, except in the end, the campaign is deployed as a smart contract. And then you have publishers, so these are KOLs on Twitter, on YouTube, anywhere. They come on the platform and they just simply get a unique referral link, and they can share that on any channel they like. And upon generating a conversion, they're receiving commission. So the way that we make money is based on a transaction-based model. So let's say an NFT costs $100, advertiser would pay 15%, so $15 for the conversion. And upon that conversion, we'll make 10%, so $1.5 comes to us. And then half of that is then distributed to token holders that are staking their tokens. So the idea here is that we want the product to be community driven, and also everyone who's involved to have level of ownership, so they can actually vote on things that matter, such as how we're using our treasury, new features, but more importantly, they're actually retrieving a form of dividend in real time. So we have the innovation behind is we built RoboAffi that essentially tracks campaigns and attributes payments in real time based on performance. In terms of market size, right now we're focused on the NFT market, right? So affiliate marketing globally is 17 billion. We've kind of estimated NFT to be 540 million based on primary mints last year. The reason we picked this niche is because the behaviors of our customers are very similar to what we were doing before. So it's actually very easy to onboard customers. There's actually no risk. So the onboarding has been pretty easy. And what we want to do is, in the future, as growth plateaus, we want to attribute payments for other events. So such as subscribing, onboarding to other objectives, right? Donating and whatnot. Anything that's on a smart contract, we want to be able to attribute payments for that. In terms of the current ad market, is that if you're building crypto right now, you know that on Twitter, on Facebook, you have a lot of challenges running ads. And so this creates an opportunity for affiliates around the world at this current time. And to highlight more on timing, right now we have mass layoffs happening around the world. So if you look at 2008, we had successful platforms that launched, such as Uber, such as Airbnb. And so we see that right now, while it's unfortunate that many people are being laid off, that's where our platform comes in and says, hey, you guys anywhere in the world, you can just sign in with your wallet within a few clicks, earn money from generating conversions. So we have quite a lot of partners involved, primarily agencies, and we're working with, we have 15 plus angel investors involved in our business. A lot of them are senior executives in crypto businesses in Asia. And in terms of core team, the team is balanced across advertising, technology, e-commerce, finance. So I've been in the ad business for over a decade. Prior to this, I've had a company that we had Apple and Netflix as our client. And then Shah, our CTO, has done quite a lot of things. He's an ethical hacker, broken quite a lot of products. And Indy's background is in e-commerce. Ja and Jerome have been really awesome as well. I could go on with the team for a minute each, but because I'm limited time, I'm going to move on. And currently we're raising $2 million, a token round, and a $15 million fully valuation.
I want to understand a bit more about this token you guys are having, right? What is the utility? Is this really necessary? Couldn't this just run as because right now it's not fully decentralized yet, right?
It is.
It is fully, okay.
Yeah.
So I would love to understand where the utility comes into play and how the economy works.
Yeah, sure. So I'm just going to move on to the token, right? So in terms of token, the way the token is structured is, where right now you see that a majority of our tokens, 30%, is used for incentives. So this is participation incentives that'll be distributed over 60 months. To us, we see this as a strategy to retain customers, and we can actually, move our incentives according to the strategies as they change. So that's one. But in terms of utility as a token holder, you can actually get dividends from the platform. So that's one big utility, right, where you actually feel a level of ownership, which you can do without a token. And aside from that, you can also vote, right? So we, when we have hundreds of millions of dollars in our treasury, that's way more than we need for our wages, right? And so how do we use this resources? That's something that the community should vote on. What features to build? That's something the community should vote on. And we also have a lot of other things that are happening with our token, actually. So what's really interesting is our product. When a conversion happens, users are rewarded, right? So publishers get their commission, and buyers also get a cashback. So what's actually happening is that the buyers are receiving their cashback in Affi tokens. So in real time, what happens is when a conversion happens, we automatically go into a DEX and purchase Affi to distribute as cashback. So literally every second, we're buying Affi. So the more Affi grows, the more we buy Affi.
And to remember correctly, I think this is all happening on your guys' platform, right? So you're not then plugging into an existing platform like a website. They need to go, so both the marketers and the companies need to find you and need to create a profile on it and then interact with the platform, correct? So how does it work from a go-to-market perspective? How do you funnel those people onto the platform?
Yeah, so forward? Right now, we have partners, right? So partners are really helpful. We're partnering with a lot of influencer agencies. We're partnering with a lot of advertiser agencies. And actually, the product brings a lot of value to their customers, right? Where they're managing a much larger marketing mix where you have a small pie that goes for SEO, a small pie that goes into Facebook marketing. And some of those things are great, but it doesn't guarantee conversions. So it's very important that there's affiliate marketing in the mix. So it actually provides value to the customers of the agency as well as the agency.
What's the current size of the user base on the platform?
So currently we're on testnet.
Okay.
We had over 2,000 participants on our testnet. We received feedback from that. We had 2 rounds, a private testnet and a public testnet. And we're actually ready to go mainnet. We're just waiting for our audit.
You told me that there was 2,500 people that were currently earning. So there's 2,000 people on the platform and 2,500 influencers on the platform?
So just to clarify, so prior to this, so Brandface is the studio behind this. And so think maybe Yuga Labs and 8Coin, right? So the studio primarily, prior to this was an influencer platform. And so that's where we ended up creating all these jobs, right? So we actually stopped that service, and we're all in on this product right now, so we can achieve more impact.
So out of the 2,500 people, do you guys have numbers? Because you guys basically 2,500 people. So they're taking about 10% of the cut, right? In terms of if it converts.
Yeah, if it converts, we take 10% of the
You guys
cut.
take 10%.
So how it works is an advertiser comes in, and so let's say you have a campaign. You're selling an NFT collection. Let's just use this event, for example. So this event, let's say they sell tickets in NFT, and they're selling tickets for $100. Let's say they want to pay 20% per sale. So then you can come to our platform and actually, let me just show you. So you can actually enter the details, number 3 right here. So how much you want to pay out, which currency you want to pay out, and then actually deploy your campaign on chain.
Got it. Out of the 2,500, so this is from the previous platform.
Yeah, so 2,500 was from the previous platform, but we also have 2,200 users in our testnet. So those are separate users.
Right. So I just wanted to kind of see from the previous platform to get a market size. What was the revenue in total, I guess, per year, per annum?
Yeah, we did $100,000.
$100,000. Okay. And then out of the 100,000, that's the revenue. So so you guys took that, and how much did the creators earn?
So actually, just to share with you, prior to this, the model was a little different.
Okay.
It was based on a flat fee model. And actually the insight that we got from a lot of our customers was that they wanted to pay based on performance. And we found that the behaviors were very similar, but we had an issue actually tracking across multiple industries. So we wanted to find this one industry where we can scale at a global level, which is why we chose NFTs.
Got it. Thank you.